you go.
So it's recording it right now?
Yeah.
I wish I could play with you. Hey guys, well, what should I say? Sorry about that. Well, yeah, my son just died.
He died. She wants revenge.
Yeah, just revenge. And,
The revenge.
yeah, and I'd
The
like you to make
revenge.
my children. I used to have another son, but
Revenge.
that's the son I was talking about.
Revenge.
This is my...
Revenge.
Stop it. Sorry. Oh my god. Who left their plates on the floor? Really, Anthony? Really? No cupcakes for you. Hey, Sophia. How you doing? Where is your bed? Huh? What'd you do with your bed? My god. How naughty do kids get? Oh my gosh. Okay. Hi, Penny. Your bed too? Yes, I know you missed me, but... Oh my god. Okay, I was planning to take you guys outside today, since you'd never get to go outside. And... I don't know if I should do it, because you've been being very bad for the past few weeks. And there's my new son. What's his name again? Yeah, I named him Brian. Oh my gosh, I forgot to make him a room. Okay, let's... Yeah, make him stay. He'll stay with his mom for a minute. And yeah, I was planning to make his room right here. I know it's gonna be pretty big, but... Yeah. Maybe pretty big. So... Oh, and guys, on my next video, I probably might do it on survival. But... Oh my gosh. And guys, yeah, let's about get like 50 likes on this video, okay? And yeah, see how it goes. And yeah, I was planning to make this the hallway. I don't want it to be too long, so I think I might just put one more block there. Okay, then I'm gonna start. Oh god. Yeah, I know I haven't made the floors on any of it yet, but I will sometime. Okay, how much? Okay, 2 blocks. And put that there. And yeah, after this, I'm going to put a grave for my son Matthew, because he just died somehow. He didn't go in the wall, or there wasn't anyone in the house for some reason. I don't know how he died. But yeah, that was really weird. Yeah, I saw him right when he died, and I shouldn't have let him moved from his room. And let's see, I have no idea what I'm gonna do next. Oh my god. Yeah, and by the way, guys, if you don't know what a spider is, that is a flying spider. It says right there. And yeah, those are probably the worst spiders, so don't mess with those. We can mess with them if you're on survival, but oh god, really? And guys, give me a like if you've seen Stampy Cat, 'cause I loved his videos. And why don't you tell him everything about you? And I am in 5th grade. It's my first time doing this, so don't judge me in your likes, cause it's my first time doing this. I need more time to do this. So yeah. Oh my god, how much mistakes am I gonna do? Oh my gosh. Okay, sorry about all the mistakes. And I'm trying not to do too much talking. I'm not trying to be annoying or anything. And let's see how it looks on the inside. Oh, sorry. Okay, this is gonna be the hallway. Yeah, it's pretty dark. Yeah, I don't want any monsters spawning here, so I'm gonna be torches in here. Yeah, I know it's pretty big in all the others' rooms. And all my other kids' rooms. And I think my kids have a big enough timeout. I think I'm gonna put like torches all the way in here. And yeah. Oh wait, I don't know if I told you my name, but my name is Chloe, if you haven't heard it. But yeah, I think I'm gonna put my floors in here now because it looks pretty ugly with this. Uh, okay. There's a lot of ore in here. And yeah, guys, I don't have anyone to pronounce today because I have no likes yet. But by tomorrow, yeah, I probably will because I don't know. Oh shit. Oh wait, yeah, I might have to set up his room. Okay, where's the bed? Okay, there's the bed. Okay, so I think I'm gonna 2 beds. Yeah, probably not fair, but well, the next door. Okay, probably not a good idea. Oh wait, don't want to. Oh my gosh, how much mistakes am I gonna make? So yeah, I'm gonna put his bed right there. And let's see. Oh yeah, might want to give him shelves. Just like the other rooms where my shelves. There they are. Yeah, I think really need to be more organized than I am right now. So okay, I think that'll do. And let's see. I think I might pass on these glasses to him. So yeah. And it's still wait. Oh yeah. And guys, before I continue, I'm gonna make a grave for Matthew. So yeah, I think I'm thinking we were working on making a graveyard. And yeah, guys, while I'm making some videos, I think I might be doing some other mods on my way through as I get better. But once again, remember that this is my first time doing this, so don't judge me in your likes. Okay, I think I'm gonna go to sleep now. Why is my head? Why am I sleeping? Oh my god. Okay, Brian, you follow me because I'm gonna introduce, well, not introduce, I'm gonna show you your room. And yes, it is very big. Surprise! So yeah, you're gonna stay in here if you want. Take a look around, even though there's not much to look at, but okay, have fun. Get rid of these two torches. And there's your door right there. Yeah, the doors might get annoying. Yeah, but just get over it. Okay, they're very annoying to me too. Okay, guys. Yeah, sorry about that. Okay, where is my wood? Did I drop my wood? Oh my god, it's right there. Okay. Fix that in a minute. Okay, you need to follow me. I'm gonna take you to Matthew's room because his room's already done. So yeah. Coming? Okay, yeah, it's coming. Okay, Brian, why don't you hang out with your brother Anthony while I go fix up his room. Okay? To have fun. Yeah, you wait there, okay? And yeah, I'm gonna take you to their mom's room so that maybe you two can be friends sometime. And you two look like you would make really good friends. So you don't move. Wait, is he moving? Is he moving? Okay, nope, they're not. Oh. Yeah, and guys, don't say I'm a boy, cause I am a girl. My voice sounds like I'm a boy, but I'm not. See, sorry about that. Um, yeah, okay. Okay, you two can move. Oh wait, no, I didn't make a move yet. Okay. You two stay in there. While I go fix up Matthew's room. There you go. And put the tables back. Dang it. And yeah, guys, this is my wife, Aurora. Wait, is it? Yeah, sorry. Aurora. Oh, there are the tables. Okay, that's all I came in for. I have to fix that up as well. Okay, yeah, I definitely need to get out my pockets. And where are my tables? Hmm. Okay, where are my tables? Okay. Okay, where the heck did my tables go? Hey, what's that mean? Okay. Well. Okay, that's just priest, okay. Yeah. I don't think I need to keep that separate apart. Wow. So cool. Okay, sorry. If you heard me, I was talking to my sister. And Ashton, do you want to say something?
No.
You want to say hi?
Hi.
Say it right here.
Hi.
Yes, tell my sister. And her name is Ashlyn. Very awful name. Yes, very awful. Very awful.
You.
I would say very awful. Yes. Poor Ashley, she never got a chance. Okay. You what? Okay, black again. Wow. Huh. Just can't do anything with this sign. Oh wait, I forgot to put. Here lies Matthew and died. Okay. Some. How? Arf. Okay, that's a very weird. It's very weird for grave, but yeah, but I did die. I will leave you two alone. Okay. Where are my tables? My god. Okay, whatever. I don't care. I don't care. Forget about tables. I don't care. And guys, tell me if I did good on this video. Okay, I think it's time. I think you are fully ready to wear the helmet. And for the sword. And to go outside. And look this way. What? What, Ashlyn? She looked that way. And wait till Black Friday. And go for a swim. Good girl. Yes, hello there to you. You suck. You suck.
Don't kill her.
Oh.
That's my. Oh, wait, never mind.
Okay, how did I do that without? Oh god, you got me. Do not go into that lava. Okay, we are going to go on a nature walk. I don't know why you have the armor on. We have to be back here before Black Friday. And guys, if you okay, get away from. Guys, if you've heard that before, I've heard that from Sandbox videos. And have you? Do you know Vanoss? Tell me if you know him in your likes, and Okay, I don't want to tell you to put. Okay, you don't have to put that much stuff in your likes. I'm sorry. But remember, it's my first day here. I have no idea what to say. I'm just standing random stuff. I don't know. I'm not trying to embarrass myself that way. Okay, we're done with that nature walk. Go back in your room. You're in trouble for some reason. I don't know why, but you're in trouble.
You will survive.
You will survive.
Okay, you can move around the house and leave the door open. You guys are ungrounded for a reason. Okay. Oh, you might not go outside. Oh my gosh! Okay, you are still grounded. Get in your room. My gosh. You know I don't... Oh my gosh, he doesn't. He doesn't. Oh my gosh. Wait. I don't know if I set this to your home. But, oh yeah, I still... You don't move. Forget about the table. You stay in here for 5 minutes because you are in trouble. Actually, till tomorrow. Okay, where... Okay, you going back in your room. Okay, you stay in. No, I did not bring you a gift. My gosh. my gosh, where is Brian? Oh my god, he's in here. Oh my gosh, I get scared of that. Okay, I'm gonna set you home here. Okay, you boys have a good night. So my wife already went to sleep, and friend did. And I have no idea what they're doing here. They better not be kissing. You are not allowed to kiss, except me. You are not allowed to kiss anyone except me. There. Why do I keep sleeping like this? Why? My gosh. Okay, guys, I think that might be all for the video today. So, and I hear Enderman, which before I do that, I'm gonna take care of it. Where are the stupid Endermen? I know. Okay, please tell me they're not inside. Please tell me they're not inside. Are they inside? You good?
Well, you can see them on
Oh yeah.
a map.
Okay, guys. Hang on. Brad! Can you end the video? Can you end the video?
Yes.
Okay, guys. I think that's all for this video, and I'll see you guys next video. Okay. Bye.